one.
So right now we're making a chicken buffalo dip, right? Okay.
Whoa.
So the first thing we need to do is get the oven going.
Yeah.
Or whichever way you'd like to cook your chicken. Today we're just going to use the oven. Fastest way. Get your chicken out, right?
I'm going to get
like
my
this.
chicken out.
Don't play with it. You want to trim off some of the fat. Just like this. Any parts that we don't want.
I got my chicken.
Let's take the tender off. Now you can use, the easiest way to do this chicken dip, right buddy? Is just to buy a rotisserie chicken at your local store that's already cooked and just peel it all apart and shred the chicken. I didn't do that. We are going to do chicken breast today. We're just going to put it in your pan here. I've drizzled some olive oil, salt and pepper on the bottom. That's what we're going to do. Let me see this one. Thank you, big guy.
Go and get another one. Look at he's shaking his booty.
Mark, how old are you now?
3.5.
No, you're 4, buddy. You just turned 4 last weekend.
Yeah.
Yeah. Alright, so the next thing we're going to do is we're going to put a little bit of olive oil on the chicken.
And sprinkles.
We're going to sprinkle some salt and pepper over top. Sprinkle it like this. No, not in one spot. Okay. Look at that. Like this.
Oh, right.
Okay, so that's good.
So, yeah.
So what I'm also going to put in here, just because I have it, I'm going to put or 2 of rosemary, just like that. And what do you got there, big guy? You're going to put some sage in there?
Yeah.
Okay, let's see.
Those are sage.
Okay, that's good. Some sage leaves.
Yeah, so eat some. So I just find them.
Okay, and just a little bit of thyme.
I want a little bit of time.
That's it, big guy.
I want a little bit of time, Dada.
Alright, so let's take the thyme and we'll just break it up a little bit.
And me.
So just like that. And we'll throw it in an oven at 350 degrees.
Yeah.
Until the internal temperature reaches 165 to 175.
Yeah.
Alright guys, so we're going to make a dip today. It's going to be a chicken spicy dip. So first you're going to start off with 2 packages of cream cheese. Now let them sit out on the counter for a couple hours. They need to be soft like this. So I'm going to break this up a little bit. And we're going to start adding the ingredients in. So we're going to add half a cup of your whatever hot sauce you want. We're using Frank's red hot sauce. Just the original. Now the recipe does call for a little bit more than this, but my kids don't really like it too spicy, so we're going to go on a little bit less spicy today. I'm going to do a cup of ranch dressing. I found bacon ranch at the store today, so that's what we're going to do. We're going to do 3 tablespoons of blue cheese crumble. Now we're going to do 1.5 cups of double cheddar cheese. And we're going to do 1.5 cups of the just marble cheese. You can use whatever cheese you want. That's what we've used today. Now this is all going to melt, so it's not really crazy important to get it super mixed well, but you don't want like half a bar of cream cheese just not mixed in. So it's pretty well mixed in. Now we're going to add the last ingredient, which is 2 cups of shredded chicken. I like to use cubed chicken personally. This is just some chicken breast that we cooked. I like cubed. This way you can get a larger chunk in your chips or whatever you're eating. And get yourself a oven safe dish and get ready to dump it in there.
So, just squish it down, fill all the cracks and everything. There you go. So, grab that. Now what I like to do is take a towel and just clean up the edge here so that it doesn't burn.
So, there, the edge is cleaned up. And the last what we're going to do is take just a little bit of each of the cheeses and just sprinkle some on top. This is the double cheddar, a little bit of mozzarella, there you go, so that's what it looks like up close. If you start your oven before you start getting everything ready, it should be at the temperature when you're ready to go. The temperature is 350 degrees. Alright, so it's in there, 350 degrees for about 15 to 20 minutes.